Isang emotional at touching message ang ibinigay ng baguhang aktres na si Hershey Neri para kay Aramina. Marami ang nagulat sa pagiging magandang relationship ng dalawa at ayon nga kay Hershey, hindi siya makapaniwala na maging kaibigan niya si Ara. Kaya naman narito ang kanyang kwento at pasasalamat at birthday message para kay Aramina. From that time na nag-iyakan tayo sa loob ng eroplano habang may katabing lalaki na di natin kilala. Siguro nagtataka siya ba't ko pinaiyak si Aramina. To that time, we won the jackpot round of Gimme 5 Pinoy Henyo, memorable na sa atin ang kangkong. To that time, naging roommates tayo and we shared a honeymoon bed na may towel swan. Grabe ang dami na po nating napagsamahan, Miss A. I remember being very nervous and intimidated when I first met you po at our script reading back in March 2023. Who wouldn't be? You're a legend, Miss A, and there I was, a newbie in the industry, working with you for the first time, but that didn't matter to you. Even though you're a veteran, you treat everyone equally with kindness, love, and respect. I remember your warmth and how you approached me and made me feel welcome. I thought, whoa, sobrang bait ni Miss Aramina. You didn't just treat me as a colleague, Miss A, but also as a friend and sister. Nagulat po ako kasi despite your very busy schedule, kayo pa mismo tumatawag sa akin on a random day just to say bigla lang kitang naalala. Kumusta ka? Pag kailangan mo ako, nandito lang ako ha. That's how you love, Miss A. You always make time for the people you love. That is your magic. I don't know how you do it. You have a teleserye, a sitcom, a movie, a lifestyle show, a talk show all at the same time. And on top of that, you're a businesswoman, a producer, a hands-on mom, a loving wife, and a constant friend. And yet, you manage everything with grace, you make time for the people you love. Grabe kayo magmahal, yun lang po masasabi ko. Miss A, thanks for all your advice and words of wisdom. Forever kong isa sa puso, mga payo mo sa akin on career and on life. Isa na po doon yung payo mo na seryosohin ko ang singing lessons ko kasi sabi mo may potential boses ko kahit sintonado ako. I admire your beauty, your talent, your work ethic, your strength, and your grace, Miss A. If only people knew you, everything you went through, and how you still radiate with kindness and love, grabe. While others may know you as an award-winning kontrabida, I am so lucky to know your pure heart. Happy birthday, I love you. Sa puntong ito ay maraming netizen ang nagulat sa friendship ng dalawa at binati rin nila ng happy birthday ang aktres na si Aramina.